Here you go, Donnie. Found something for you. My cousin would like this one. Right here and here. For sale. Look at this. Ain't no joke. Gotta call to find out more info on this baby. It's you, Donnie. I know that it's you. Look at this. Yeah. There's a row of them right here in Erie, Pennsylvania. Right here. Get a hold of me if you want to know more. Not even kidding. Tell me what you like. We can get you a lot of information. If you need some. It'll just give you a little idea what's available. If you need a budget car, right there be one. If you need a little old school, right there is one. How about a older Rally Camaro or older station wagon? There you go. So, quite a selection out here, everybody. Nice looking TA right there. Nice looking RT right there. Got a heck of a selection out here, and if you want something real big, you got this right here. Very nice. Wow. That's awesome. That's a Jeep. Yeah. Please like, share, subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks. Look at this, everybody. It's beautiful. That's what they look like if they're done. Impeccable. Absolutely beautiful. And if you want it blacked out Trans Am, right here. Look at this. That's done like rhino coat. Not even kidding. Truck bed, rhino coat. A little bit of what they got going on though. You got your Nova. Look at this. And you got that. They like them LEDs. Right there.